Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tricks app. And in this video, I will show you that how you can upscale images in Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So as you can see, I have generated these images using Midjourney, and here I can see options U1, U2, U3 and U4. The U here means upscale. So if I want to upscale this image, I will use U1, and if I want to upscale this image, I will use U2. Similarly for this image, U3, and for this image, U4. So let's suppose I want to upscale this image. So I will click on U4, and here you can see that I have upscaled this image into here. Now I can get a larger preview of this image with a higher quality. Now if I want to upscale it a little bit more, I can use light upscale redo, or if I want to upscale it a lot more, then I will use better upscale redo. So let's suppose I want to upscale it more, so I will just click on this, and you can see the upscaling has been started. So just wait for a while until it's completely upscaled. And here you can see the image has been upscaled to the highest possible quality. So that's how you can upscale images in Midjourney. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.